I've got two different colored socks on. We might
You gonna restart?
want to restart.
That's okay.
That's what happens when you're rushing for socks in the morning in a dark closet. I'm Kirby Allison, and I love helping the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes. Join me as we explore the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and in today's video, I'm very excited to unbox 3 new styles of casual shoes that I was able to acquire from London shoemaker Foster & Sons, of course, which is located right on Jermyn Street. So join me as I unbox these 3 new exciting pairs of shoes. Famous London shoemaker Foster & Sons, which is really one of the 3 heritage shoemakers that are still around and operating in London, has just run a discontinued stock sale on their Instagram page, offering their shoes at really great discounts that I just couldn't pass up on. Now, as many people know that watch this channel, most of my formal shoes are now being made bespoke, but I'll never pass up a good opportunity to acquire a pair of casual shoes at a great deal, and this was just that opportunity. If you don't follow Foster & Sons on Instagram, make sure you do. They are still running this sale, and you might be able to find a few additional pairs of shoes from them. And of course, if you're in London or able to travel back to London once the COVID things loosen up, Foster & Sons on Jermyn Street is really one of the great English shoemakers that is worth a visit. But here we've got this box of 3 exciting new pairs of shoes that I've just acquired as a little bit of a COVID London care package, if you will. So let's open this up and take a look to see what's inside. So let's open these up and see what we have here. So the first one is the Holcomb Dark Brown Derby. Now this is a nice, derby, which is the open lacing. Again, a casual shoe, Goodyear welted, nice dark brown. This is gonna be perfect for the weekend, which is what I had in mind whenever I was purchasing this. And again, really kind of showcasing Foster & Sons workmanship. This is made with all of the details that you would expect from a really high quality Goodyear welted English made shoe. Invisible channel stitching, beautiful finishing on the outsole. Of course, the Foster & Son insignia on that outsole. Nice little nailing detail here on the heel. Nice heel that's kind of tight to the back. Good hard countering. And otherwise just kind of beautiful derby that, is a shoe that I don't have in my wardrobe. Comes with the shoe bags, an extra pair of shoelaces. Let's take a look at this other one. I love the smell of a new pair of shoes. So let me know what you think of this. Again, a great shoe, casual shoe. Perfect for the weekend. Honestly, I could even wear this with what I have on right now, and this is a shoe that I'm certain I'll get some use out of. Okay, next up we have a penny loafer, and again, another quintessentially classic style, easy to wear on the weekend, and this is a brown suede penny loafer. Again, 8.5, which is the equivalent of a US size 9, perfect for my size, and again, nice kind of machine stitched apron. Nice outsoling detail. This has an open channel, right, where you can actually see that outsole stitching. That's the stitching that attaches the outsole to the welt. But this is a slightly softer design than what you would get in this derby, which is more of a dress shoe. But it still is Goodyear welted. It can be resoled if I need to. And again, this is a beautiful kind of dark brown tobacco suede, very kind of neutral color. This could be worn, without socks and shoes. It could be worn with a pair of chinos. A great pair of shoes that I'm certain will get a lot of use. And then let's see what we have as a part of this third shoe. So larger box, clearly This is probably going to be a boot. I know it is. And let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, look at that. So beautiful navy Chukka boot. This is a model that I know that I will get plenty of use out of. I've got one quite similar. Again, similar construction, open channel stitching, but it's still Goodyear welted. A little bit of a more casual last design, which I'm seeing almost immediately. I mean, look, this is really quite generous. So we'll want to try these on and make sure these fit. But beautiful kind of suede Chukka boot. And again, 3 really easy, to wear, very accessible casuals. We've got a brown penny loafer. We've got a nice dark brown derby, and then of course a nice pair of suede Chukka boots. I'm really excited to be adding these to my collection. So there we are. If you enjoyed this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that red subscribe button so that you can learn whenever we release new videos. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do @Kirby Allison. It's the best way to stay up to date about what's going on in our world. And of course, if you haven't visited KirbyAllison.com, please take a moment to do so. It's how we support this YouTube channel. And there you'll find the largest collection of luxury garment care and luxury shoe care items in the world, as well as other great clothing accessories like this beautiful Chestnut sovereign grade ancient matter tie that I'm wearing today, and so many other great clothing accessories. I'm Kirby Allison, and as you know, I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Thanks for watching.